Rice is a priority and strategic crop adapted to the marshlands of Rwanda. Through the National Rice Development Strategy, the government of Rwanda has taken the initiative of boosting local production to meet the growing demand.
The NRDS program was just initiated to implement the development of the rice sector here in Rwanda in terms of quantity, quality, and all connected areas.
According to a written statement from the Ministry of Agriculture, a policy framework has been put in place to consolidate the rice value chain in Rwanda.
Rwanda's National Rice Development Strategy is aligned with the government's Vision 2050, which, through its Economic Development and Poverty Reduction Strategies (EDPRS), aspires to transform the subsistence nature of farming into market-oriented agriculture. These strategic objectives are in accordance with the government's program for sustainable transformation through agriculture, which is deemed to be the vehicle for investments in Rwanda's Comprehensive Africa Agriculture Development Program, CADIP.
The rice production, even other commodities productions, is relying much on smallholder farmers. The paddy fields, these small paddy fields all around the country, you will find that almost all the farmers, I can say even around 100%, are grouped in cooperatives, and those cooperatives are always linked to the milling service operated by private sector, by private operators, and those are linked also to the market.
With the marshlands ready for cultivation, smallholder farmers were motivated to try rice farming. In order for the paddy rice to get to the consumer, it required to be milled. The existing milling infrastructure was substandard and produced low-quality rice. The government, therefore, resolved to privatize rice mills to improve the quality and competitiveness of local rice in the Rwandan market.
To build the rice mills, even to operate the rice mills, even if it's a business, and up to marketing of the rice. All this was the government business.
Ubu aho leta yacu y'ubumwe imaze kudukangurira ko tugomba gushaka inganda zigezweho kugira ngo dukompetitinge n'indi miceri ituruka hanze, twongere capacity dushaka imashini zigezweho.
Twahereye kuri aka kamashini akamubona kakoreshwaga mu buryo wayoraga umuceri hasi ukawusukamo ara hejuru ukatonorwa ugasohokana n'amabuye n'imyanda, tukawupakinga mu mifuka itagira ibirango, tukawucuruza hano mu baturage.
Uruganda dufite n'uruganda rwatekerejwe n'abahinzi ubwabo, bamaze kurutekereza ariko dusanga kuko umuntu waramutse mu bitekerezo twagiye twabonye ko atari byiza ko koperative yashinga uruganda ubwayo, ubwo duhamagara n'abandi bashoramari turafatanya. Icyo gihe twahereye kuri 38%, ariko ubu ngubu kuko mu minsi yashize hari undi mushoramari nawe washatse gushyira imigabane ye ku isoko, twarayiguze, rero ubu tugeze kuri 71%.
Niyo rero yaje gushaka umufatanyabikorwa yavuye muri Australia, niwe yashyizemo umugabane we 30%, abahinzi nabo bafitemo 40%.
The privatization and modernization of rice mills in Rwanda depended on the active participation of government, from formulating policy to executing the envisioned reforms.
Yes, the government have been supporting the financing sometimes by the matching grants or to facilitate the loans and finding partners. Or the government have been establishing the rice mills, but then privatizing to the private sector.
Twagannye banki kugira ngo tubashe kubona izo mashini ndetse n'inyubako nziza zigezweho zijyanye n'igihe, zijyanye n'icyerekezo. Ubwo buryo bwo kugira ngo bashishikarize abahinzi ndetse n'abantu bandi bikorera ku giti cyabo kugira ngo inganda zijye mu maboko yabo, ni umwanzuro mwiza, ndetse ubona yuko ni ingamba nziza, ni strategy nziza zishobora gutuma iyi business izaramba. Bivuge rero yuko haba harimo kubigira ibyabo, ownership.
This strategy to privatize and modernize rice mills in Rwanda has brought benefits across the value chain.
But when the private sector have been engaged, you saw that the quantity of the rice available to the market have been much increased. The quality have been improved, and even the sector have been more, if I can, more and more viable.
Over the last 10 or so years, there's been improvement to increase the production but also the quality of the rice. And so we work very closely with the Rwanda Standards Bureau in terms of setting the necessary standards for rice production, ensuring that we can provide them with the capacity building skills that they need, but also with the machinery that is able to process quality rice as well, and packaging and other incentives and support mechanisms that we can provide to not just them but also other made in Rwanda specific processors and producers.
Umuceri dufite ubu ngubu ku isoko urashimwa, bityo tugashobora guhangana mu biciro n'ibituruka hanze duteza imbere iby'iwacu.
As efforts are made to change the mindset of Rwandans about consuming local rice.
Bayitetse mu bwoko bwa pilau, uhinduye ibara, ihumura neza, iraryoshye cyane. Ufite icyanga kinatandukanye n'iyindi, niyo mpamvu kenshi niwo nkunda gukoresha kwiyakiriza haba mu masaha y'akazi kuri pause cyangwa no mu rugo kenshi.